coming back to do another watermelon soap with the ones that I've done. This is just like a month of watermelon, or so however many watermelon soaps I'm going to have out of this, but I've been having a lot of fun with the designs that I have been doing and the ones that I have posted, the videos that I posted previously to this one. With those types of designs, you are going to have extra soap and extra soap batter, because when you're adding embeds, when you're doing different things to get the right dimensions on things, sometimes you have to have extra pieces and extra batter because you don't want to be on the other side and not have enough. So anyway, this one I've been putting the greens in here. I'll put them in like in a bag, and then I'll pipe them in here in lines. So this is the green base of that, and it's fragranced with a mix of the three brambleberry scents. I've got cucumber melon, candle, and soap, and then the watermelon sugar, and then also mixing those cucumber melons along with the black raspberry vanilla makes a really great watermelon scent. And the one that I'm using is from Nurture Soap. So this one will be kind of a blend of all four fragrances. I'm going to go ahead, like I said, this part is done. I'm going to go ahead and mix up the white portion to have the white here, and then I'm going to have to let that set up, and then I will come back to pour the reds. What I'd like to do on the reds, hopefully it won't set up too fast. I'm trying to think, the cucumber melon, the plain one, that one is super duper fluid. The cucumber melon candle and soap sets up a little bit faster, and then the watermelon sugar sets up a little bit faster than that. It's not like a crazy acceleration, but they do set up at different rates. What I would like to try to do is have a one pot wonder and have some lions in there, but we'll see. It may end up being like a in the pot swirl, so we'll see. Anyway, so I'm going to mix this up. Obviously this is a lot more than 10 ounces. I'm going to do some, I got some new fragrances in, so I'm going to test those with this mold, and then I have a little bit more that will be used in the rim of a final batch. So I'm going to go ahead and blend everything up and get ready to go. Oh, also, this, if you can see, this is very light colored. This is my base recipe. So with this, it will make a very white soap, and I will not have to even put any whitener in it. So let me grab this as just a little sample piece. So see the outside and that, see how white that is? That is not including any extra whitening micas or anything like that. I'm using my lard recipe. Lard is very light in color. It makes an incredible soap. And then the olive oil that I have, I randomly found, I just get my olive oil at the store, and one batch was like super light colored versus like the really dark. Let me grab it real quick actually. This is typically what the olive oil looks like, and I don't have the lid on, but this is how light it is. So see how light that olive oil is? So I've been saving this for a while to use in something that I needed to be really, really white. So, okay, enough of that. Let's go ahead and make some soap.